It's exactly 3 p.m. and they got this fake alarm going off. And they just had about 10 or 15 minutes ago, they had another ambulance, but I missed it and they stopped. I mean, they only put on their sirens for like 3 seconds and then stopped. Y'all know y'all hear that. How does the alarm turn off? I mean, it goes off at exactly 3 p.m. Dog. Oh, shucks. And it was a minute and 15 seconds. I see some people going to the raggedy ass truck. Looks like it's raining outside. Light rain though. Light but fat raindrops. Yeah. So, right now I'm taking a questionnaire about my targeting. Wow, it seems like a long questionnaire. But I'm taking my time out. It's really helping me to really help me realize things I didn't realize about myself with my targeting that I experienced that I kind of don't even realize or think of. And it's pretty much had my confirmation. Ow, my hips hurt really bad. So, you can't tell me that this targeting program, you cannot tell me that it's not demonic. So, I mean, it's very hard to try to not sin as a targeted individual, especially, if you try to, like in the Bible it says, be angry and sin not. It's so hard to do because it seems like the perps will provoke you to anger on purpose just so they can be like, haha, I told you she was a fake Christian. And it's very difficult for me for being disabled and hypersensitive to everything. I don't know, it makes me wonder if me showing my proof of gang stalking that, the perps want to make things look like as if I'm just wasting my time. Like as if I'm wasting my time and they bragged about smear campaigning me and thought it was funny. I mean, before things got worse, to be suffering all alone as a target and with nobody to communicate with, and the only communication you get is people trying to be your handler or people who think they can control you from all the way from Rhode Island. Oh, shucks. My head. So, they keep you sleep deprived and too psychologically and mentally exhausted to work. And the perps expect me to go out and get a job, and then when I do try to get one, they sabotage it. So much freaking manipulation and games, you know, and it's, as I said, it's narcissistic to think that you can control a stranger's life from all the way from Australia or something, Queensland, Australia or something. And you in the United States. Yeah, I mean, it seems like people gonna doubt me until I'm dead. That's what it seems like, is if people are going to doubt me until or unless I'm dead. And then after I'm dead,